available for this call is unlimited.
Hello?
Is this Steve?
It is?
Hi, this is Laurie McNeil. I'm calling you back.
Hi.
Hello. How can I help you?
Sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry, you go ahead. I guess you have the questions.
Well, I am writing a story about the sheriff's race in Livingston.
Right.
And I spoke to your husband, and one of the things that I feel obligated to write about are the current cases pending against him. And I noticed there's also a protective order that you filed for, in which you allege some violence and threats. And I wanted to talk to you because it's always tricky dealing with allegations of domestic abuse. I like to talk to the victim and see what they're comfortable with me revealing, and also just talk about what actually happened and where the case is at now. So I know I've given you a lot there in this particular part. You might just where I'm going to start with.
Well, actually, because these charges, there was an agreement made in March between the district attorney and I guess my husband and his attorney that all of the charges, including the domestic charges and the ones including my children from my previous marriage, would be allowed to prescribe if basically the prosecution would cease as long as he removed a social media account that was dedicated to revealing some of the things that he had been done wrong to him, and some of the I guess where the Livingston Parish Sheriff's Office had done some shady things. They wanted that removed, and in exchange they were allowed the charges to prescribe. Now that they have reinstated the prosecution, I feel it's just to protect everyone, including myself. There's certain things that I can't comment on because the case is now back on. Does that make sense?
Okay.
But I can tell you this: I support my husband 100%. I support him 100%. This is like a political move by the district attorney. I guess for the sheriff's department, they want to keep him quiet and they want to discredit him in every way possible. They've made comments that he's a new resident of Livingston Parish, which is not true. They want to keep everything that he does have to say, and there are forged signatures of judges on warrants. They've been less than forthcoming with on their side of the deal. We just want this over with, and and they won't allow it to be over with.
Mm-hmm. Can I ask you about the claims that you made in the petition for your protective order? Are those claims?
I can't comment on any of that.
Okay. Okay. I certainly understand, especially when the charges involve you, but you aren't named. You don't want to say something that would hurt a case. Okay. Well, yeah. I mostly wanted to ask you about the accusations made in the petition for the protective order. Mm-hmm. But if you can't comment, then that's fine with me.
Okay.
I just want to give you the opportunity.
Okay. Well, I wish I could talk more about it. But I just I'll be that this it's pending litigation. I can't as on the advice of our attorney.
Okay.
Save it for the
courtroom.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.